You want to record your video in circle like this one. And when you are recording your screen as well as your own video, then you want to move your video to the left, to the top, to the right, and to the bottom, or maybe in the center. You can do the same with the help of a software that you already know how to use. You just don't know this feature. The software name is Zoom Meetings, and this feature is known as Zoom Clips. This video is all about this. By the end of this video, you will be able to record your video in circle and you will be able to move it around while you are recording your video. So what we are waiting for? Let's start. Let me show you where you can find Zoom Clips. So right now on this screen, you can see that I am logged in and I have planned Workplace Pro that allow 100 people's meeting at a time. So this is what I have, and if I scroll down to the bottom, I will see one option which is known as clips, and I can see few clips here. Good. I can also see one option create clip here. So that you have seen on Zoom's website, which is zoom.us, but usually this is not what we use. If we have Zoom subscription, what we do? We have Zoom Workplace installed in our machine, isn't it? So this is what we have installed. Here you can see home, meetings, team chat, whiteboard, a lot of things, and there is one option which is known as clips. So let's go to clips, and here I can see both clips which are already available in my account. Now what I can do? I can create a new clip. So before you question what is a clip, what does it mean by clip? Clip is basically a recording of either your screen or your face or both mixed. You do not need to edit your video in order to put your face onto the screen, which is usually the case when you are working with a software like Camtasia and other. So here, if I click on new clip, I will be able to record a video along with the screencast. So let's do it now. So I am going to click on this option which says new clip, and I'll click on this button. That's all. With that, when I click on this button, then you can see two new things appearing on my screen. One is my video and second one is this option. So now this workplace is no longer required. I will minimize it or I will move it to a different screen. I'm basically using two screens. Now, what does it say? Let's look at this. This is the important thing here. So it says that you record a new clip. Okay. Then it says that what do you want to record? I have two screens and I can select any one of the screen. It will basically show me this kind of option from where I can select any of the screen or any of the tab. Before confirming the screen selection, I will also ensure that I am also recording computer sound only if it is really required. If you do not need it, don't select it. Now I'll click on select. That's all. With that, what's happening? My screen, as you can see, this screen only where this logo is available, it's visible here. After that, there are three options. First option is screen as well as video, and that is why you are able to see my video here. If I select only screen, then only screen will be available. Now my video is gone from here. And third option is only about the video. If you just want to record the video, then you can select this option, which is third option. Now it will only record your talking head, no screencast. Okay. So I'll go to the first one, which is very famous, which is mostly used. So I'll select this one, and now what I can see screen is getting recorded as well as my video from the camera feed is getting recorded here, although recording is not yet started. Another option is to give it a name. So I am giving it a name, video for ET Mantra channel. Okay. Now it says which mic do you want to select for audio recording, and I have a blue snowball mic. Then which camera will you use? So I have only one camera, USB video camera, that I am using here. And then it's asking what is the size, in which pixel you want to record your video. So I'll say highest, which is 1080 pixel. There are some more options which are advanced setting. Let's go to that. These settings, I believe you already know about it. These are related to Zoom. So before I continue with these settings, let's simply click on this video first. And you might have noticed this advantage that I can move my video anywhere in the screen while I'm recording the clip. Okay, that is the best part of zoom. So in few of my video I have seen, sir, how you make your video record in circle. So this is one of the option. Zoom allow you to do that very easily. Other than that, is also have few more options. Let's look at those. First option that you might have noticed here is small and large. So basically what I can do right now, if this video is looking small to me, what I can do, I can make it large. Okay, and the same features will remain here, so I can move it wherever I want in the screen. Finally comes, so you can make it very large. Actually it's up to you how do you want to keep it, but obviously then it becomes very difficult to zoom it out. So now what I can do, I can just move it down and then change it to OK size, which I find okay. Now there are other options, like right now my video is appearing in circle, but if I want, I can make a rounded rectangle, or I can simply remove any kind of effect and I say record everything what is visible in camera frame. Or one more feature that I can use, I can say immersive. Immersive means what? It will remove the background and now I will get this kind of video which I can keep anywhere. And while I am recording my screen, I can move it anywhere on the screen. So this is giving me another advantage. I will save a lot of my time for the editing. I don't need to do the editing because I can move my video directly from here one place to another place while I'm recording the screen. That's a good feature. So let's come back to the circle, which is the popular one. Now I am going to keep it like this. Another option here is the border color. So right now you can see the border is black. I can make it blue or yellow, or I can select any other color as per your brand. So I can select this one. So I'm just keeping it to black only. No issue. There is no option to increase the width of the border. These are the only options. Finally comes this option, virtual background and avatar. So I believe you already know it when you are using Zoom meetings, but let's simply go to this. And here what we can see the backgrounds available. I can select any background as per my choice. And as you can see, it's after all it's Zoom, correct? So it's looking really nice. Option to mirror my video is available. Option to I have a green screen is available, but right now I don't have a screen, so I should not be able to use it properly. Okay, let's make it none. Let's go to avatars. Avatars are also available. Just in case you don't want to reveal your identity, then you can select any one of these avatars, and this avatar will be replaced with your own video. So how cool is that? But obviously it all depends on your requirements. So I never use this avatar instead in this video, except this video. So let's go to background. Okay, now go to back. Layout and wallpaper is available, so I can use any of the layout. So this is one of the layout, then this is another layout. See, this is another layout, this is another layout, and this is another layout. So basically all the layouts are also given to you. So just in case if you have a second monitor like I have, what I can do, I can move this to the second monitor and I can keep this on all the time. And then I can work on any one of this feature. So in runtime, it will record, okay, as per the selected layout. And when I am selecting a layout, you can see there is a lot of black color. So that I can replace with any one of this wallpaper. So if I select flamingo, you can see flamingo is replaced here. If I select jungle, I select whatever is available here and that will be replaced with that. Okay, so we will use it again once I will start recording. Till now I am not recording. See, the recording button is still off. So let's go to back and come back to other option, which is touch up and effects, which is really nice feature. So I say touch up my appearance or I deselect it. Okay, if I select it, then I can simply maximize it and you can see the blur on the face. Okay, so basically it's up to you. You want it, so you can use it. I keep it somewhere here. Okay, adjust for low light, it's auto, but if you want, you can select a manual. So you can adjust for the low light or you can just deselect it, so it will remain like this only. So right now the environment where I am working, it is full lit, so there is no requirement of using this option, but this is just an option, so I am just showing it. Let's go to back and there is mirror my video option. So it will mirror my video. As you can see, I am raising this hand. but it is showing that hand. Obviously in the video you can't see this, but yeah, if you want you can keep it as per your requirement. Now I have to be in the center of the camera so that my video looks good like this. Yeah, now it is much better. Noise suppression, very good feature. If you do not have a noise free environment, then you can use it. Stereo audio I am recording, and I am also recording computer sound. Now with all the options I have selected, I am ready to record my video. What I will do, I will just start recording. But before recording, I should have something to teach also. No? So let's teach something, and one of my favorite software, which is Everything. I like Everything. So let me open Everything on my PC. And let's say I want to record a video while I am teaching Everything. Okay. So I'll start recording. Perfect. When I started recording, what happened? This kind of bar is open for me, only for me. It will not be visible in the final video. Okay. It says that it's recording monitor. Which monitor? That you can see here. How is it recording? You can see that here as well. The timer is started. It's working. Okay. If I want, I can pause my video recording anytime. I can discard this video. I can restart it. I can annotate. That's a very good feature. I can annotate it like this annotation bar I will get, and I can annotate it. It's really nice. Na? I'll remove this, then I can stop my video whenever I want. I can mute the audio. And right now what I am going to do, I am just moving this from this monitor to another monitor so that it's not interfering with my video. Let's now try to do some things. So like I am moving my video in from one place to another place, and I'll share the clip also with you. After this editing video, you will see the clip which is recorded with Zoom. So let's now see, okay, what is Everything? Now I'm talking only about Everything, nothing else. Okay, so what is Everything? Everything is a software that acts as a local search engine. So when you are on Everything, the interface is like this, and here on this search bar, you can search for any file that you want to find. For example, I want to find MP4 videos. So what I will do, I will write MP4. What will happen when I write all the videos with MP4 in it will appear. So for example, here you can see MP4, MP4, MP4. But there is one problem. The problem is that it also have MP4 in the name. That I don't want. I want only the video with extension MP4. So what I will do, I will also use dot in the beginning. So I say dot. Now I have only those that have .mp4 in the name, and only the mp4 type files will have .mp4. Why will other have mp4? Correct? But here you can see there are some PNG options available, ink option available, because they also have .mp4 available. So in this case, what I will do, rather than saying .mp4, I will use a wildcard in the beginning, which is star. Star means any name with any number of characters. So I am going to use a star. When I said star, now I should not get any those image files. They are now gone. Now it is completely only .mp4 file. Okay, so let's say I am just going to teach this much in this video. But what else I would like to do? I would like to annotate. So I will say that here you can see, here you can write the filter, and from here also you can select what you want to select. So for example, if I am saying that I don't want everything, I just want to get the videos, then also I will be able to get only videos. If I delete the filter from here and I say that I just want to have only audio files, then I'll select this and I'll get only the audio files. Okay, so that is how it works. So I think this is good enough for the clip. Now the clip is recorded. Once the clip is recorded, what I will do, I will click on this option finish. As you can see, 3-minute plus video is recorded. So I will click on finish, and now it will take some time, and that's all. My video is ready. So this is the time to see where this clip will appear. So this clip is appearing automatically on Zoom Workplace. If you recall, we started this from here only, isn't it? So this is the clip. I will play it for you after this video is over, but here I will mute it for few minutes and I'll show you how it's working. See, my video was here, but later I moved my video from here to somewhere else, so it was moved. See, Okay, and you will be able to see it when you will see the preview after this instructional video is over. Let's now see other features of clips. So first of all, as you can see, this clip is available in Zoom Workspace and it has the share option available. And what I can see that this copy link is available. So link is copied. Once this link is copied, what I can do, I can use any browser. So let me just use my browser in incognito mode so that I am not logged in. And if I type it here, I should be able to access that clip. See, this means in the whole world, now this clip is available. I just recorded it. No need to do any post-production, no need to render, no need to upload somewhere. It's already uploaded. The moment you said finish, it's uploaded, you get a link, and you are now going to share it with your team members, with your student and whoever you want to share with. So that is one feature. Okay. What is the next feature? Next feature is this. Transcript available by default. Okay, it's taking some time, but see, it's available. Automatically it's available. So I know I receive a lot of comments, sir, what is a good software for transcript? Here you have it. Okay, and you have subscription to that. You are paying it for every month. Okay, now chapters. A very important feature and very few softwares have it. For example, Vimeo have it, but not at the Plus plan. You need a Pro plan which costs $20 per month in order to enable chapters. So here chapters are available. What are chapters? I believe those who are at YouTube, they know what chapter means. So I can add a chapter by saying, okay, this is a chapter title which is Intro to Everything. Intro to Everything. And it's starting from some particular timestamp. Let's say it's starting from somewhere here, but in the beginning I can't say that. Okay, so I'll say this is just an introduction to Zoom meetings, Zoom clips. Okay, because in the beginning I was talking about that only. Then I will add another chapter and now I will be able to give a timestamp. So first timestamp must be 0 only. Now let's see from where I started talking about everything. I think I started talking about somewhere here. So I'll go here, automatically that timestamp will come here, 1 minute 11 seconds, and I am saying this is introduction to everything. Okay, now add one more chapter and now I can say that it is, let's say I started talking about filter somewhere. I'll move here little bit more. Okay, yeah, here I started talking about filters, everything filters. Perfect. So I added one chapter, 3 chapters are added. Then I'll save it. Once saved, what I will do, I will go back to incognito, okay, where I had my clip, okay, without login. Let me now refresh it. So this is how your end user will see it, and they can see chapters now. See, they can directly jump to the particular chapter. See, and how good is it? And it is available to you, by the way. Let's now come back to this. Statistics is available. So who watched my video? Okay, so that information will automatically appear here. Obviously, this is not the time. I just created this video. Then edit options are available. What I can do, I can edit some information. So I can say the title. So I can say this is introduction to everything. Then I can write a little bit about this video. Then I can add some tags if I want, and I'll save it. Finally, there is add call to action button. A very important feature. So I can give it a call to action button. For example, I can say this link shall take them to etmantra.com. Button text is visit my website for more education edtech videos. Okay, this is only 30. Okay, so edtech videos. I am going to put this like this. Then where do you want to display this button? It should go to bottom left or bottom right. or top left or top right, wherever you want. You can keep this. So I will take it to top right. I cannot move it, but from here I can select it. Finally, where do you want to display this clip, this button? End of clip or all the time? So I am keeping it all the time. Now you can decide the button color. From this, I will select any of the color. Okay. So see, this is changed. And finally, you can also select a text color. Although you can select the shape as well. For example, rectangle or ellipse. And you have few button styles available to you. So you do not need to change the color on your own. A lot of things are given to you. So I'll select this yellow one. And then finally add it. So call to action button is also added. Let's now see how will it look to the end user. So refresh it. Incognito, by the way, this is incognito. And here you can see this is working. And if I click on it, it will take me to etmantra.com. Should take me to etmantra.com. Yeah, it's taking. Okay, I can click, or it will take me in few minutes. Okay, maybe I have to click only. Fine, see. And so this is a very good call to action button, which is not available usually. Even in paid softwares, you have to pay a lot. Then transcript we have seen, chapters we have seen, and if a person want, they can add a comment. In order to add a comment, they have to sign in. So you will get the information as well, correct? Let's now see what options are available. There are some settings. So viewers can view comment. You can only allow sign-in viewers to add comment, or you allow everybody to comment. That's up to you. Viewer can see transcript, and that is why I'm able to see the transcript. And then finally, custom branding option is available. So I can select video clip player with this color, with this background, and I can select a custom logo, which I have already done previously, and then I can save it. Perfect. Let's now see how will it look. So it will look like this. The logo is appearing on top. The page color has changed as per my instructions. Comments are available, transcripts are available, chapters are available. This is available. So that is the feature of clips. So how will you see it? I am not going to delete it. Rather than putting it at the end of this video, I am simply going to put this link on the description of this video so that you can experience the feature of Zoom clips on your own. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful to you, especially if you have Zoom subscription. I have one question for you. Can you tell me which software I am using to record and edit this video? The answer is in the video itself. When I was sharing my screen, by mistake, the recording screen was shared too. So if you can tell me the answer. Other than that, if you know some other feature of Zoom meetings, which you believe a very few teachers are using, and you are one of them, please let me know in the comment. I'll wait for your comment, and then I'll try to make the video on that feature as well, including your name. So now we will meet in some other video of ET Mantra, where I will again talk about some of the EdTech tool or EdTech software, which is really helpful to teachers or instructors. We'll see you in my next video now. Thank you very much.